You'd think by now that thing would be sweet, ready to go. Anywhere you point it, nothing would be wrong with it. Complete overhaul. Nah, we've come across another problem. So the air locker in the rear diff has completely fucking imploded. There is not much left of it at all, if any. Unusable, completely unusable. Got this complete new unit here. I'm going to be reinstalling to get it back to twin lock mode. But while we go to park, going to be doing pinion bearing, like diff overhaul, wheel bearing. I guess we'll get stuck into this then. This is the housing. Couple of chunks still in there. Couple of fucking pins. Quick stop to go get a hydraulic press to get this pinion bearing off because it's playing silly buggers and bearing puller and impact wrench is not working. Of a real truck, eh? Hello, mama. Got the dog. Nice. I gotta put it together. Fuck. Trade. Unboxing video. Oh, fuck, lad. Well done, Craigo. Looks fucking terrific, mate. Got that off. So we got Craigo's tricks of the trade. Chuck the pinion in the freezer. Bearing in the deep fryer. What do you reckon? Throw some chips in it after or what?
I don't think so. That's how you do it. We'll see how this one goes. Hopefully it goes straight on. Look out. What the fuck's going on there?
Online or what?
Yes.
Righto, so we've come to a complete stop tonight. Got the wrong bearings. Shout out to old mate from out of town four-wheel drive in Barnsley.
I told him we needed the 50mm upgrade. I asked him about the 50mm upgrade.
So Craig has told him he's still up. So thanks for ruining my Saturday night. Craig's Saturday night. My son's crying. I'm about to start crying. I'm not happy. Not happy, Jan. Righto, fast forward a week, and she's still in pieces. But we got all the parts to continue the diff rebuild, and there are my axles with fresh wheel bearings in them because we failed at as they were stuck. But I guess we keep it going, eh? So here's the current stage of the locker. And the housing of the diff is over here. Nice and clean. Couple shims in it. Ready to rebuild. Here's my shaft. She spins nice now. Got some progress happening. Lovely. Alright, so this is where we're at, probably a minute and a half ago in the video. Craigo's already finessed that bearing on there. About to
Well, we're gonna make it square. I'll fuck it up.
sorry, bud.
Oh, 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 oh. Oh no, it didn't work. Hear that noise? That means it's home. Don't need no press brew.
Yeah, we're talking. That's gonna be odd. I'm not gonna touch it, but you get the idea. She's definitely looking like a diff now. Not bad, sir. Gonna clean this thing up. Get the goodness of the shattered diff out of there and throw her in. So after a bit of digging around in the oil, we've uncovered some evidence of the crime scene. Lovely. There's a couple chunkies in there too still. That's nice. Look at that. 3 weeks later, she's back in, almost ready to party.
Home stretch now. Keen to get some right foot going in this big thing. So back together underneath there. Time to slap some fucking something in there. Looking healthy now. So we got wheel number 1 and wheel number 2 back on. Gonna leave it on the stands for tonight because about to go out to dinner and don't have time to put oil in it. So just a quick reminder for myself tomorrow to chuck oil in it before I drop it back on the ground. So that's it for tonight. I'll be taking it for a run tomorrow. Oh, fuck.
Let's hope it don't make any fucking noises.
Can only hope, can't we? I actually don't know if I've started this since they took her apart, but I'll go get the keys and see if this fucking new battery's gonna pay for itself. Oh, she's a bit musky in here. Yeah, put some right foot into it for us, Craig. We're going.
Maybe I wasn't recording it before. Yeah, do I fucking zoom back in?
Yeah, press the 1.
Oh, look.
Crazy. Oh, that actually looked cool before. We're back. We're in action. Everything seems to be all sweet. I got it back. Lovely. Couple of big rigs. Righto, so on to the next thing. I don't know what that is at the moment, but you'll see when I find out. Righto, so I would love to be outside recording this, but it's currently blowing about 55k an hour wind, and I'm pretty sure... Hold on, let me check the temperature. 37 degrees out there, so I'm not standing out there. I'm in the aircon. It's still hot in this room, but we're getting it done. So the next thing to tick off the list for the queue was 35's, fitting them. They didn't fit, so I had to cut the guards up. I didn't cut the guards up because I didn't have time before we went away. So I sent the queue into Williams Body Works where I got the roof redone, and he cut them up, took about 50 mil off the back side of the guard and curved it in pretty nice. So he cut them all up, and then me and Craigo painted them at home. Actually come up pretty mint for a rattle can job, but yeah, the flares didn't fit, so end up going the flexi flares from Bush Ranger, 65 mil. They actually come up pretty mint. Still got to do the back guards, but yeah, 35's fit in the front now. In the back, they're scrubbing on the body, so I've got to adjust the bump stops and put the new flares on the back, but after that she should be pretty dialed in. So the video is a bit of a slap together, but content is content. It interested me, like going through it all, seeing what the old Diff has to offer, what Craigo has got in his trick book. But that's that done. head over to Sticks to Sand on Insta. Show us some love. That's our brand that we're pushing. So, you know, the trips we got coming up, that's going to be all related to that. Get some stickers, show us some love, but importantly, showing you love for watching. Cheers. Laters.